oil and water experiment. Okay, so before we will start, I will introduce first our materials. First, we have the cooking oil, the water, 2 baker glass, one is 500 ml, the other one is 250 ml. And we also have here food coloring, blue, red, orange, and yellow. And we also have our stirring rack. Okay, we will be using this one to mix later. Okay, so first, I will pour the water using the 500 ml baker glass. Okay. Until 400 only. Yay! Alright. Next, I will also pour the cooking oil using the 250 baker glass. Okay, until 100 only. Alright. Then, next thing to do, I will mix the food coloring with the oil. Okay, so first, blue, 2 drops only. Alright, then, red. 1, 2. Okay, after the red, we also have here the orange food coloring. 1, 2. Okay. Next, we also have the yellow food coloring. 2 drops, 1, 2. Okay. Yay, we're done. And now let's mix them together. Okay. Look what's happening. Alright. I will mix. I am already mixing the oil and the food coloring. Okay. Then, what will I do next? I will mix the food coloring with cooking oil together with the water. And let's find out what will happen, kids. Alright, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Wow! Okay, so look, kids, what's happening? Why is it the oil is on top of the water? What is the reason behind? Okay, the reason behind is that the oil is less dense than the water. Okay, and look what's happening. What will happen? Wow, look what's happening. The food coloring is going down. What is the reason also? Okay, so the reason behind is that the food coloring that I've used today is easily dissolved in water. Okay, so can you see that? Wow, it's so beautiful. Alright, so the food coloring is going down, but the cooking oil will still on top of the water. It cannot be dissolved in water. Alright, so I hope you can do this one at home with mommy and daddy. Alright, so happy experiment day!